Well, I seem to have got these bits here which I don't normally get in, and it's bothering me. It's no matter, but it bothers me. Adverbs. An adverb is a mashup between ad, short for adjective, and verb is a doing word, or as a little girl called Flora once used to call it, a wooing word. A verb is a doing word, so talking, walking, and then an adverb is the word that describes the verb. It's an adjective for the verb. I was going to write describes the verb down here, but I wasn't quite sure how you spell it, and I keep getting it wrong. So I didn't. See, you're not good at spelling, just find another way around it. So, ta-da, magic. We've got quickly. Quite often they end with ly. Bravely. Sudden. Oh, should we do in bright pink? That was suddenly. Thoroughly. Now they don't always end with ly. So she quickly washed the baby. So what was she doing? Washing the baby. She did it quickly. He suddenly stopped the car. What was he doing? He was stopping the car. He suddenly stopped the car. He bravely ran through the toddler enclosure. You do have to be brave for that. Bravely, so what was he doing? Running through the toddler enclosure. And how was he doing it? He was doing it bravely. She thoroughly cleaned out the drawers. What was she doing? Cleaning the drawers. How did she do it? Thoroughly. But sometimes they don't always end with ly. So the slow-moving train crunched through the leaves. What was it doing? It was moving. How was it doing? It was slow. The fast-thinking child. So what was the child doing? Thinking. How was it doing it? Fast. So just it's an adverb. It's an adjective, a describing word for the verb. See you soon. Bye-bye. Have a lovely day. Oh, surely. I'm getting into a habit of this, aren't I? Sorry.